Before we get started, I wanted to show you a couple things and take a baseline measurement. So in the front, we're looking about 35 and 5/8. In the back, which is really close in height to the front, we are right about 35 and 11/16. And then also, look at these front springs. They have a serious negative arch. See if I can get this to focus. See this here? 1, 2, 3. These little sleeves are like a taper sleeve. These were a total to get out. What I ended up doing was spraying deep creep in here, just like a penetrating oil, several different times, and then I just wailed on it right here with a pretty good sized little hammer, and I hit it up and then down and up and down, up and down, and then finally one just shot up in the air. I mean, I watched some videos where guys were talking about using vice grips to squeeze it and drilling holes in the side. I ain't drilling holes in the side. I have to use these again, and I tried squeezing it, and that didn't really do anything. You see there? All it did was scratch it up. But lots of deep creep and lots of wailing on that with a hammer, both directions, and one of those things just shot straight up in the air, popped right out. Look at the difference in those springs. It was even more drastic of a difference because if you remember when it was on the truck, those stock springs had a negative arch to them. I think that with this lift kit, what they expected you to do was to take this hard line out from the frame, and they gave you a little bracket and you mounted it below the frame right here. I'm really not a fan of doing it like that, so I went ahead and just picked up some steel braided brake lines, and so all I have left is put the brake lines on, and then the shocks, tighten everything up, then I can move to the back. I also have to remove this sway bar because the lift kit did not specify that there's a special lowering bracket you have to have. So I'm just going to take this off, buy the bracket, and I'll put it back on later. I wanted to make sure I paid this off. So in the front, we ended up with 46 and a 16th, and in the rear, 45 and 15/16.